Hey everybody, it's Ivan here from Autogeek, the nation's largest detailing superstore and the originals in car care. We're here today, just hanging out in the breeze, enjoying the sun. I've got an Autogeek t-shirt with me and we're headed on our way to Lake Country Manufacturing to drop it off for their next t-shirt Tuesday. Hey, it's Davey P. Hey, it's Davey P here, and we're back with another T-Shirt Tuesday. This week we've got Autogeek, because our buddy Ivan didn't even stop. He just kind of drove past and threw a T-shirt at us like we're some piece of meat, but we're here. Autogeek, Autogeek.com, started off as Autogeek.net, and they are the originators of online detailing car care, and they are the biggest and the baddest. If you've never been to Autogeek.com, go check them out. Mike Phillips and the crew over there has everything to teach you every single thing you want to know about paint care, interior care, leather care, glass, everything. Anything you want to do, they've got a training class for you. They've got write-ups. They've got a complete forum where Mike's answered pretty much any question that you could even think of and is still there to answer your current questions. So go over and check them out, autogeek.com.